Hello and welcome back to my channel. To, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can build your digital business in 90 days. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Digital Dottie. I help Gen Xers and baby boomers make money in the online space with digital products. Not too long ago, I got let go from my second job in 5 years. I was devastated because I didn't have a backup plan. I didn't have a plan B, so I had to figure out a way to pay my bills and to feed my family. And fortunately and blissfully, I discovered digital marketing and I learned the skills that I needed to make money in the online space. And now I'm sharing with others exactly how to do that. So in today's video, I want to talk about the next 90 days. Now, let me ask you something real quick. What if this summer didn't just fly by like all the other ones? What if 90 days from now, you weren't still worried about money? What if you weren't still clocking into a job that you absolutely hate? What if you still were saying no to your children and grandchildren, or maybe next time? This summer could be the one that changes your life, changes your whole focus. So, welcome to this video. I hope you find some information here. I'm going to share with you why you should come on and join us on the 90-day freedom sprint with the Legacy Builder 2.0, where we not only turn your struggles into strategy, but your knowledge into income. If you're over 50 or even 60 and you're still waiting to feel financially secure, this message is for you. You've paid your dues, you've worked your jobs, paid your taxes, you've raised your families, okay? You've held it all together. And now it's time to build something for you. The Legacy Builders 2.0 isn't just a course, it's a system. It's a movement. It is a mindset shift. And the next 90 days, you can shift your mindset so that it takes you to the places that you've dreamed of and that you can make become a reality. Now, why this program versus other programs that are out there? Here's what makes this different. The Legacy Builders 2.0 is a plug and play system. Plug and play meaning you purchase it, you plug in your information, you put you connect the dots, and then you play it. And it plays for you over and over again. It is an automated system. Plug and play, paint by numbers, right? It's easy. It is a done for you business. Now, you do have to do a little work, but on the strength, you got to plug and play and you're good to go. The other thing that I'm loving about it is that you get paid every single day with these programs that you make a sale. If you don't make a sale, you're not going to make no money. But if you make a sale every day, you get paid every day. Not only that, you get to keep 100% of everything that you make. Have you ever had a job where you got to keep 100%? I know I didn't. I haven't. But with the Legacy Builders 2.0, you have the opportunity to keep 100% of everything that you make. That means there's no commission to me or anyone else that you buy from. There's no upline that you have to pay. There's no kickback. None of that. None of that happens. You sell, you keep, right? That's what I love about it. Now, the best thing is that this is a fully automated business. Plug and play means it's automated, right? It comes with emails, 30 emails. It comes with videos, easy to comprehend and absorb videos to help you set your business up in a short amount of time, depending on your tech skill. And it doesn't take a lot. And that's what I love about it too, is that it was built for grown folks. It was built for people who didn't grow up with the internet, right? We need a little extra time. We need, we got questions, extra questions. Sometimes our questions have questions, and that's okay. But in this community, the Legacy Builders 2.0 and the digital growth community, it is very supportive. It is comprised of people who are on the same path, who understand on the same journey. And so there's no jargon that you don't understand. There's no fancy tech words. There's none of that. It's just real. It's just relatable. And it gives you step by step guidance on how to get your business up and running. And then the other thing that I absolutely love is the community, Legacy Build, digital growth community, and the counseling, the mentoring, the coaching. It's live coaching. Okay. Every day there's some aspect of building your online business where there's some coaching. All you have to do is plug in. And if you can attend the coachings live, which are by Zoom, then you watch the recording. So every training is recorded and available to you in your classroom. It is amazing. So, if you've ever said, I just need someone to show me the way, this is the way. If you were waiting for a sign, honey, this is your sign. Okay. So now, what do the 90 days look like? It's broken up into 30 days. Our coach and mentor, Michelle O'Neill, who is the mother of six, grandmother of five, and she just wanted time with her family. She built this business. She made $1 million in less than 2 years. Now she's already made over 4 million in a couple years. And now she's sharing with us exactly how she did it. So she's showing up and giving us daily guidance on building our business and showing up for our audience and how to be successful and make these coins. Okay. She's got it laid out for us, and you're absolutely going to love it. Now, let's talk about why most people never start an online business. And the number one reason is they're scared. They're scared that they're too old. Okay. The internet doesn't check ID. Okay. People are online every day of every age category. Don't sell yourself short. You are not too old. You have experience that no one else has. And someone in this big internet world needs that. Okay. They're scared because they're not techie. They say, I don't know how to use the computer. Yes, you do. If you use a phone, if you use an email at work, if you can copy and paste, then you can have your business. It's an online digital business. You set it up, you're good to go. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. If you can follow instructions, you can do this. If you can watch a video and then implement what you just saw, you can do this. Okay. Most people are afraid that they'll fail again. And so what? You gotta try. Don't be afraid of failure because it didn't work before. This might be the time that it does. And you owe it to yourself, right? But let me say this, failure isn't about falling down, it's about staying there. And so you cannot afford to stay down when you fall down. And the next 90 days could be the ladder that you need to get on up and do the thing. Okay. The Legacy Builder 2.0 was built with you in mind. She knows what it's like to want more time with your family, to get out of debt, to have more freedom. For me, it's to save for retirement and never have to go back to a 9 to 5 and ask the boss for time off. That's why I'm doing it. So, who is this for? It isn't for everybody. And that's okay because everybody doesn't want to be financially free. Everybody doesn't want to break free of the 9 to 5 mindset, and that's okay. But for those of us that this is for, it is amazing. Okay. It's for the person who is sick of living paycheck to paycheck. We have worked over 40 years and we're still living check to check. That's horrible. That isn't the life we were meant to live. Okay, it's for the woman who has raised her family and now wants to do something for herself. She wants to build her own legacy. It's for the person who um, didn't think that they could do it, just needed some help, just needed some guidance. It's for the man who thought retirement would feel different, but he's realizing that it's very uncomfortable. Okay. It's for you if you're coachable, if you're committed, and if you're consistent. Okay, you don't need a million followers. You don't need a plan because we got it for you. We have got the plan that works, that has proven to make money for those who work the plan. Okay, now here's the thing, the sprint is only for 90 days, and the decision that you make today could impact the next 9 years. Imagine that. Imagine waking up this summer and not stressing over your checking account balance or using it to determine what you can and cannot do. Imagine the freedom that comes with making money while you're sleeping, or while you're out to dinner with your spouse, or while you're taking a walk. Imagine the freedom that comes to that. Imagine the freedom of not having to beg for time off and holding your breath until it is approved and feeling some kind of way when it's not approved. Just imagine the freedom from that. So our next 90 days is starting soon and the doors are going to close soon. So this is your window. Don't let the doors close on you. So if you're still watching this, I know you are ready. All you need to do is go to dorothysdigitalstore.com, put your information in there, follow the instructions, and then send me an email if you need to get in touch with me directly. Don't wait. Today is the day. This is the sign that you've been looking for. Not next week, not tomorrow, today. So go ahead and do it. There's no better time than right now. And remember, your experience is your superpower.